Hello, you are watching the Project Booster channel. My name is Konstantin. Crowd Genie reaching the $5 million soft cap. In December 2017, Akshay Mehra, the CEO and co-founder of Crowd Genie, reached one of our managers to promote the project. It's a long process to start a project, prepare for pre-ICO and ICO, and make sure it all goes well. The Genie team were doing their best, and still they understood that it wasn't enough. They needed to hire professionals in order to raise the needed amount of money during the token sale and develop the project. The pre-ICO started in November 2017. Of course, they launched a huge marketing campaign that included social media, blogs, YouTube vloggers, articles, etc. But the most important traffic channel at the time was the Bitcoin Talk forum. The Crowd Genie managers created an announcement thread there and waited for traffic to flow to the website. There was nothing. The thread was lost among hundreds and thousands of other threads like that. Maybe there were about 10 or 30 thread views per day. It was too little to make a difference. In the end of December, the token sale progress was far from perfect. It was the time for a new approach. They was received an offer from the ForumBooster team, telling we could boost the traffic in no time. The service price was higher than the alternative offers, but Akshay decided to try it after all and purchase a one-day pack. And it showed awesome results. Their thread was on page 1 of the section list announcement altcoins. The number of views grew up to 875 that day, so Crowd Genie purchased a 7-day pack. And that week the result was impressive as well. So they purchased a 30-day pack to cover the ICO period as well. And then they purchased 30 days more to promote the project on Bitcoin Talk forum until the ICO end on March 1st in 2018. During that time, the thread was constantly lifted to the top. Moreover, our team kept the discussions rolling, and we could drive the users' attention to the topics requested by Akshay, like the referral program. In the end of more than 2 months cooperation, we've built a strong community that supports the project. Akshay was glad they didn't fall for cheaper options that grow non-organic bot traffic. We've seen those communities fall apart in no time. And, most important, Genie ICO hit the soft cap. Now the project is developing according to the roadmap. Follow Crowd Genie on social media and read their official Medium blog. Read more about the ForumBooster at this link. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.